Hello friends, thanks for tuning in to check out another fantastic listing here at 181 J Drive in amazing Altamonte Springs. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features just under 1,400 square feet, has 20-inch porcelain tiles in the main living area, luxury vinyl plank in 2 of the bedrooms and in the bonus room, hardwood floors in the master. The bathrooms have both been updated, elevated, elegant, beautiful tile showers. You're gonna absolutely love those. The kitchen is well appointed. It sits on a beautiful lot with a nice spacious backyard. I'd love to see what your future desires are gonna be for those areas. It's gonna be amazing. The home is just off of 436 and I-4, giving you quick access to wherever you need to go. Uptown Altamonte and Crane's Roost are right around the corner. 2 movie theaters and all the shopping and dining experiences you could ever desire are right at your fingertips. Let's take a look at this home together. Follow me. Well friends, thanks so much for checking out this listing. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love this bonus area. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. I just feel like there's so much that you could do with this space. Was yours the backyard, the kitchen, the updated bathrooms? Again, let me know in the comments below. Remember to give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, share with your friends who are looking to buy or sell. We'd love to help them out. We look forward to serving your real estate needs. Talk to you soon.